right? So all right, so let me explain about the QuickBooks first. So QuickBooks is the accounting tool. It is based on uh, okay, now you're already working in an organization. You already uh, you you do the bookkeeping. Okay, can you please little bit explain what you do in Tally? What you do daily basis?
Daily basis, bank entry, then
Mm-hmm.
bank reconciliation, then accounts like sales, purchase, GST.
Mm-hmm. That's it, right?
Mm. Yeah.
Same thing. Same thing you have to do here. Okay. So
Okay. Okay.
let very quickly let me explain something that we have to record the purchases, right? You
Mm.
already do in the Tally. Okay,
Yeah.
means
Mm.
record the bills, like you will get the bills from the vendors, from the suppliers, and you have to record in the Tally, right? Similarly, you have
Yeah.
to record them into QuickBooks. How we have to record, I will show you then next is same thing, that is the sales. Okay, so in the business we did the sales. Okay, we raise the invoices and send to the customer. Okay, so so we in Tally directly we can record the sales into the Tally and take the printout and share with the clients. Okay, sometimes like
Mm.
if you are working in chartered accountant firm, then hopefully like you work with the multiple clients, right? So in that case you are not raising the invoices, means the client is
Mm.
usually raising the invoices at their office only. Okay,
Mm.
so after maybe 10 days, 15 days, or after 1 month, they share that copy of that invoices to the to chartered account, like to you,
Mm.
and you record them into Tally. Okay, but
Mm.
access,
Yeah. Mm.
how you do like this?
Yeah.
Okay, so yes, so if there happen there is disturbance from your side. Okay, I'm audible.
Yeah.
Okay, so again, like if you get some if you're working for the multiple clients, then that it means that you are not in the office of your client, means you are
Mm.
chartered accountant, so of course
Mm.
uh, like there are very less chances that they ask you that raise the invoice and send to us. Okay, but usually they
Mm.
raise themselves. Okay, and send the like number of invoices copies, and we have to record in the into Tally. Okay, so but sometime where if like in the case of QuickBooks, like if because it is a web based, so it is very easy. So like if the client is raising the invoice into QuickBooks, then we don't need to record them, understand? Because
Mm.
similarly, for example, in Tally, when we record the invoice, okay, so then
Mm.
it means or like we raise the invoice in Tally directly, so we don't need to separately raise the invoice again, because we have already done. Okay,
Mm.
so and take the printout and send to the customer, that's it.
Mm.
Okay, so the
Mm.
other thing that I explained you, that customer raise the invoice, but maybe they raise in you know in Excel, or they're using another software for raising the invoices. Okay, but we are recording the we are doing the bookkeeping in another software, like we are doing in the Tally, we are doing in QuickBooks. Okay, so then we
Mm.
have to record that sales separately into the software, right? Understand?
Okay.
So this is the sale. Hmm.
Okay. See, we can create the invoice in QuickBook.
Yeah, we can,
Okay.
like the Tally, we can create the invoice.
It's
So
like same like Tally.
same, yeah, same like we have to record in the Tally. Sorry, in QuickBooks.
Okay.
Okay, so we will go inside, but today I'm just only giving you the overview, but we are going to
Okay.
learn. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay.
okay, next is what you said, sales, you said purchase, that's fine. Now
Mm.
we recorded. Then after that, bank.
Okay.
Okay, we can
Mm.
say bank reconciliation,
Mm.
we can say bank posting, whatever it is. Okay, understand? So
Yeah.
you can say bank posting. Okay, so in the bank posting there is two things. Two things will happen, but
Payment receipt. Okay.
yeah, payment out and payment in. Okay, payment in, amount in or payment out, whatever it is. Okay, so means payment out means, of course, in the bank statement we will see there's some payment are outs and some payments are in, right? So what we will do, so the payments are out. Why they are out? Okay, they are like, of course, we make the payment to the vendors. Okay, so means when we did the purchase, we record the
Payment out means what? Withdraw.
uh yeah, we can say withdraw. Withdraw means like payment is out,
See, in here,
out.
payment in is receipt, right?
Yeah, yeah, receipt.
Okay.
So like for example,
In QuickBook, you are calling payment out and payment in. I mean, the
uh
software is.
yes, no, it is nothing like it, just only it is a synonyms. Okay, like it withdraws. Yeah,
Okay.
that means that is coming out something. Okay, so the reason of
Okay.
coming out is maybe it is withdrawal. Withdrawal means, sometimes withdrawals, it looks like withdrawal means like we are withdrawing the cash. Okay, means withdrawing like, that is the cash in our hand. Okay, so but in
Okay.
the case of payment out means, it is something out means something out from our bank. But why it is out? It is separate thing. Maybe we withdraw the cash, maybe we make the payment to the vendors against the purchases, we paid the salaries to the employees, we paid the taxes. Okay, so then when we will make the payments, then of course the payment is going to be out from our bank, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, then it's opposite, that is payment in, means that payments are like depositing into the bank. Okay, so the reason of payment out reason we understand, like why they are out, because they are payment to the vendors against the purchases, payment to the employees, payment to the taxes, we paid the taxes, whatever. Okay, these are the reason of all. Okay, so if there is payment to the vendors, okay, like, okay,
Okay.
suppliers,
Okay.
vendors. Okay, so like during my, I'm teaching you, maybe like something, it is not clear to you. Like if you have any doubt, even some word you say is, I'm not saying, but do you mean? So you can ask me. Okay, so because
Okay.
uh, because already know the basic things. Okay, I'm not going very deeply, but still, if you have some doubts, okay, then don't hesitate to ask me.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
even it is like minor things, maybe you will say, we learn this in the class of +1 +2 even. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, if you have any doubt, very basic things, if you are not understanding, then you can ask me what is this. Okay, so don't
Okay.
worry
Okay.
about that one. Okay, all right, so these payments out means that payment make to the vendors. So when we did the purchases, okay, we just did the transactions. Okay, we are not talking about the payment at the time of purchases. When we record the purchases, we are not talking about the payments. So for the payments, we have to do separate entry. You understand this concept?
Yeah.
Okay, so when we will do the payments, so we have to tell in the QuickBooks that against what purchases this payment is. Okay, so we have to do reconciliation. It means like every transaction we have to record. So payments out we have to allocate against the bills that we have recorded. Okay, understand? Similarly, payments in means that payments are deposited. So the reason of deposit, okay, the maybe this is the main reason, is like, the
Oh,
payment,
sales.
yeah, payment received from the customer. Okay, so again, so we have already recorded the sales. Okay, so against what invoices we have received, we have to do in the bank account, like in the bank, when we will do the bank reconciliation. You got this fine?
Okay.
Okay, the another
Yeah.
reason of payment deposit, maybe that we payment in the reason is maybe the owner of the business transfer some money to the business account. Of course, there is payments in. Okay, and we took the loan from the bank. Bank transfer money into our account. It is also the reason. Okay, so but the main reason is that we get the payments from the customers against the sales we did in the past, maybe last month, last month. Okay, you got this point?
Yeah.
Okay, so mainly these things we have to do in the cuckoos that you have already done into the tally, but you have to do the same things in QuickBooks. Okay,
Okay.
next is we will cover like month end process. Have you worked on month end process?
Month end process means journal entry. Month end.
Yeah, at the end of month, so we,
salary,
yeah, we
rent,
record
everything.
some, yeah, month end process.
Mm.
Okay, so we
Okay.
have, there is some month end process where we have to record some transactions. Okay, so we have to record the journals. We can say, we say payroll journals.
Salary payable,
Okay,
like rent pay.
yeah,
Okay.
payroll journals.
Mm.
Okay, you have to say depreciation. Okay, so so we have to record this one, depreciations, sale journals, uh, and what? Okay, yeah, these journals we have to
Mm.
work on. Okay, next is we
Okay.
will do reporting. Okay, like what type of reports there are. Okay, how to customize them, how to run that report, how to analyze that report. Okay, so
Reporting means financial statement, right?
yeah, financial
Not
statements,
yeah.
like there are
Okay.
lot of type of statements. So we can say profit and loss, we can say balance sheets, we can say trial balance. Okay, we can
Okay.
say cash flow statements, aged payable reports, aged receivable reports. All these reports are, we will go through how to run them, how to change them, how to customize them.
Mm.
Okay, so we will cover these things. So it is very easy for you. You can learn it very quickly.
Okay.
Okay, got this point. So now, these are the options. So today on, you can, you know uh, sign up on QuickBooks, and you can create one is account into QuickBooks. Okay, all right, so these are the options. We will go one by one, like as per our requirement, like and under the billing, but they are okay. These options we have to cover under teams, under this is pro version something. Okay, and similarly bank transaction, but other under the bank transactions. Okay, so this is dashboard, the transaction under again bank transaction, app transaction, receipt reconciliation rules, chartered accountant. So one by one we will cover these. All are the like features.
Okay.
Okay, and okay, so okay, so this is again the interface. So once you sign up, then you can create the new client. Let me see, I think it will allow to create one account, one client only for the sign up. So once you sign up with your email ID, then you will get the it will ask you to create the account, means create the company, like in Tally we create the company. Okay, so we will provide the information. So these are okay. So and also let me explain you, this software QuickBook is is used for the international accounting. Means it is for US, UK, Singapore, Australia. Okay, these companies, these countries are use this software. Okay, so it was in India also, but they stopped the services in India. Okay, so we cannot say that we cannot use the QuickBooks for Indian accounting. We can also use the QuickBooks for Indian accounting, but there is some, the addition, sometimes the features inside these are based on the other countries. Okay, not as per India. So but we can use them, like it doesn't matter actually. Okay, we can use them, like we can use QuickBooks in for the Indian accounting also. Okay,
Okay.
so okay, so how we will learn it? So I will do first, I will explain you how to record the bills, means how to record the purchase. Okay, and and side by side I will give you the assignment. Okay, it is
Okay.
nothing that first I will complete everything and then give you the assignment. No, I will teach you in one day, then next day I will give you the in the assignment. Like I will give you, I will provide you some data that you have to record
Okay.
yourself. Okay, so that
Okay.
you get the actually practical knowledge, not the theoretical. Okay, so
Okay.
we will cover 2 3 assignments. If you want more, than I can provide you for your exercise. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Even if you have some data, like you're already working chartered accountant firm, maybe you have some data like all the purchases and sales. If you would like to work, and don't worry, just simple sign up and create the new account, and you can like convert that data into QuickBooks. You can also do exercise. The data is in Tally, and similarly, you have to record these things and this data into QuickBooks, and you can also compare that is the Tally like in your office Tally is saying these are the reports, like these are the profit. Okay, this is the profit and loss, and that day is it same thing in your QuickBooks or not? If not, then you have to explore what the mistake you did here in QuickBooks. Okay, like this, there are a lot of way that you can learn QuickBooks. Okay, fine. So, and as you are learning QuickBooks, so I hope you are looking for international clients, accounting. Am I right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Just click here.
This first one.
Yeah, yeah. First one. Okay. Go to login.
Okay.
Okay. QuickBooks Online. Okay. Now you can create an account. Come down.
Create an account.
Yeah. Okay. Now find a plan that's right for you. Come down. Come down. Okay. You can say select the first one.
This
Yeah.
one.
But you, because everyone has a start a 30 days trial. But okay. So we can see the features. Okay. Who has like the features? Track income. Okay. GST and VAT. Okay. Okay. Manage bills and payment. Track employee time. Multiple currency. That's fine. Come down. Scroll it down. Okay. Tracking transactionable. Track inventory. Manage budget. Okay, up to 40 classes location, 4, 5 user plus your content. Okay, go up, go up. Okay, it is says $4 per month, 36. Okay, you can use the second one, essential. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Location is India, fine.
Which one?
Yeah, location is fine. You can scroll down.
Okay.
Yeah, come down, come down, come down. Come down. Nothing. Okay, go up, go up. Look where you select the country. Go up.
Okay.
Yeah. Now come down and wait. So okay. Cancel time. Okay. Unlimited spot. India. It's not available for your business location. Okay. 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 Then okay. Do one thing, because I told you that it is stop the services in India. Then they are saying this offer is not available for your business location. Like in India, it is not available.
Okay.
Mhm. Okay, so let's try to change the country name. Just no, no, no. Here, here, India. No, no, no. Yes, yes. It is change the name. You can change. And the country is like US. Press U. You have to scroll in. Yeah, come down. Yes, yes. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it comes now. Wait, come down. This is not available. Your business location. Please update your business location and to check this. Okay, 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 okay. Because we are in India, so it is taking the location from our internet, like from our
Okay.
GPS. Okay, come down. Let's see. Okay, Wait. But it's not showing. Go up. Okay, do one thing. Let's change the another one. And you see, choose plan. There is essential. There is pencil just after that. Click on that pencil, pen. Go to the choose plan.
Here.
Yeah. This one. Okay. Select the first one. Simple start. Yeah. Mhm. Come down. Come down. Go up. Okay. No. That is not showing to you.
Is there anything it will show here?
Mhm. Yeah, it should be so like to go ahead because it is not allowing you to go ahead because of the location. No problem. Let's come down. Let me see where is that option. Let's go at the end. Just
And
bottom. Yeah.
here.
Bottom. And then
This is the bottom.
no. There's more. There's more. Scroll down.
Okay.
This is the bottom. Okay. Now go up. Go up a little bit. Okay. Let me see my one. Like this, so you will approach here. Okay, so see, welcome to Intuit. Okay, so if you say go, it is visit the US site. Okay, there is another, go to India site. So if we click on
Okay.
India, go to India site, and it says discontinuation. Okay, QuickBooks in India, so they stopped the services. All right, so we go back. Simple. Once you approach here, so you say visit the US site. Okay, now it will open the US one. Okay, so now here
Okay.
we have to,
First we enter the Indian side, then
no.
second,
I
then
was just telling you that if you click on the India side, then what will happen? So you don't need to go to the India side.
okay.
You have to go directly with the US site,
Directly.
right?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, then simple. Then you can create the account. Then it will ask the payroll. So see, there is a payroll is additional feature of uh, this. Uh, QuickBooks. Okay, so like we can also run the payroll direct into the QuickBooks. So like the payroll, you understand? Like in India, how you do you have experience to learn the payroll?
No. No.
Okay,
There's no
so in
experience.
yeah, so payroll is like we have to calculate the TDS, and like in India we have to calculate TDS of the salary, how much the TDS, then we have to calculate what is the salary need to be transferred to the employee's account, right? So
Okay.
there,
Only salary based, right?
yeah, it is always payroll. Payroll means like salary, okay?
Okay.
And
Okay.
so yes, so sometimes the new uh, because that's why I'm saying I'm not aware like where you are like you really know like do you know about the payroll? Like have you heard about the payroll?
Yeah, I have heard, but I know the TDS and everything, but I'm not expert in payroll.
Okay, so payroll is nothing. The TDS is that is, but the payroll means payroll in it is like again the synonyms of the salary. That is.
The dearness allowance like that.
Yeah, no. I'm not talking about
Deduction.
just
No.
we are saying
Okay.
salary. Okay,
Hmm.
instead of salary, I'm saying payroll. That's it. It is a
Okay.
synonyms of the salary. That's it.
Okay.
Because in like international we use that to speak payroll instead of salary. Okay, so that's why because it is in
Okay.
on my
Okay. Okay.
yeah on that's why I'm also used to speak payroll all the time. So because
Okay.
of you know all the time we work on these with these countries. That's why. So the payroll is but that is a salary means salary calculation that is called payroll. So like in India, I ask you how to calculate the salary of the employees, like how to calculate the taxes, TDS, okay, of the employees. So that is the salary minus TDS need to be transferred to the employees account. Okay, so in India there are the software, and so have you worked on that software to calculation the payroll, calculation the salary? Did you work
No,
somewhere or not?
actually, I'm for TDS. I'm using the Winman software.
Okay, so the TDS, so that is the to filing the TDS actually, not to the
Mm.
calculate the TDS. So how you calculate the
Okay.
TDS?
Manually by Excel.
Manually, yeah, that you
Yeah,
use the
using Excel.
Excel. Okay, so but in usually outside, like in another
Mm.
countries, they prefer to use the software. Okay, here in
Okay.
India also there's software, but the only the big companies use the software. So because you were working with the chartered accountant firm, so that the chartered accountant usually do the bookkeeping for the small businesses, right? So for the small
Okay.
business they don't need to use the software because they have only like the few employees, some has 10 employees, 15 20 employees. Okay, then they don't need to purchase the software to calculation the payroll. Okay, so then they manually calculation usually like on Excel, but is like annual salary, but is the taxes. Okay, so or maybe they use the software, and because you are filing the TDS return, to file the TDS return you need the information like the name of employees. If you did you file the TDS return in WinVan?
Yeah.
Okay, so of course to file the TDS return, you need the name of the employees, PAN number, their salary,
Yeah.
but
PAN number.
yeah, salary there and their TDS also.
Not salary. We are going on the base of purchase. Purchase of the employee.
Going based on
Purchase. Purchase.
purchase of employee. I didn't get it,
I
but do
mean,
you
the
mean?
client share the purchase data, purchase invoice.
Uh-huh.
You'll calculate the TDS for
Okay,
that
that
purchase.
okay on that percent that is
Yeah.
26Q, not 24Q.
Yeah, 26. Yeah,
Okay,
no,
okay,
not
okay, yeah.
24Q.
Okay, so that is the 24Q. So
Hmm.
that is the separately we need to calculate. So you don't have the experience to file the 24Q, right?
Yeah, no, no
Okay, okay,
experience.
that's fine. For the 24Q again, that it is a separate calculation we
Yeah,
required.
salary. Yeah.
Yeah,
Hmm.
so for that we use the software. So this is QuickBook has itself like feature inside that is the payroll. Okay,
Okay.
so again it is to learn this payroll, we need to learn the international payroll. So this is additional feature that we are not going to cover, but I will just teach you how to record the payroll journal. That's it. Okay,
Okay.
so you understand my point here. So you
Yeah.
didn't you don't need to say continue with the payroll. So once you come here, you can use the add plan and continue without payroll. Okay, then you have to simple put the details here like the email ID, mobile number. Say so this email ID, then you have to create the password. Mobile number, you can put the mobile number for India, I think. Yeah, you can put the mobile number for India. Okay, and
Okay.
just create an account into Bitcoin. That's it. Okay,
Okay.
so you just try it. Yes, you can click there here. The this is essentials one. Choose plan.
Which first one?
Yeah,
Symbols.
second no, essential second one.
Essential. Okay.
Yeah, choose plan. Yeah, without continue without payroll. Okay, put the email ID and password. Then yeah, yeah. Okay, go ahead. Come down. Scroll it down.
Just a minute, just a minute.
Okay, okay. Yeah, make sure you know the password. Okay.
Shall I click here? Create an Intuit account.
Yeah, yeah. You can click. Yeah, you click there.
Yeah, I clicked.
Wait, wait. Okay. Maybe there's something wrong. Go up. Yeah, wait. Yes. Provide a valid phone number. Okay. The phone number. Just remove the zero from there. Yeah.
Okay. Oops.
No. Okay. No. Remove the zero from beginning.
It automatically
Okay.
it came.
Do one thing. Let delete all the number and put again.
Zero is came again.
Are you sure the number is correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Let do again. Yeah. You
Okay.
can save the password. No. Close that window. The right side one. Yeah. Okay. Now. Mm, okay. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Yeah. I think it is done. Okay. Now go to your email or try to log in. You can sign in. See, there is a
Okay.
sign in button.
With this one, a QuickBook.
Yeah. QuickBook Online.
Online.
Okay. I think you need to verify. Let go to the email. Your inbox.
Inbox.
Mm-hmm. You didn't get any email.
Mm,
Okay. Go to QuickBooks. Yes. So I verify the email ID is correct.
yeah.
Okay. Let's do one thing. Let's click on the phone. Now put your phone number. It means your account is not done. Okay, let's click again, create an account. Mm, Yeah, stay here. Yeah, come down. Let's select this essential. Yeah, choose plan without payroll. You can use the same one, no problem. Same.
Same password.
Yeah, you just click on your email ID below.
Mm.
Yeah. Okay. Now,
But the number is it's showing US please. Zero is came here.
no problem. Just change the country. Okay. Let's try again. See, there is
Mm.
before 3 4. There is a space between. Let's remove that one
Which one?
in your mobile. 3077 before three. There is space. Yeah.
Here.
Yeah. Remove it. Remove it.
Okay. I can't.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Remove it. Okay. Let's try again. Go down and create account. Go up. Okay. Now stay here. Okay. Okay. No, that's fine. Okay. Come down. Okay. Wait. Wait. For product. No, no, no product. Okay. Come down. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Come down. Okay. Nothing is there. Okay. 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 Let's see ahead. Go ahead. Go on up. On. Go on top. Mm, your plan is this one. Okay, live account assistant. Okay, now post. Come down. Okay, live free 30 Okay, no, come down. Yeah, wait. No, wait here. Hmm, Okay, go on top. Go up little. Yeah. Okay. Can you change the plan? Yeah, yes, yes. There is essential.
Okay.
Let's click there. No, no, don't. You can also change here. See the select plan. Yeah. Now click on simple start. Down. Simple start. Yeah. Yeah. Again, do the same process. Again, you are on same page, right?
Mm.
Mhm.
Any other way to open this?
Mhm. There's one. This is big. Wait. So here you can see like everything is done actually. So this is the next process that what you were doing. I have done everything. Like, okay, even it asked me that credit card detail. I put the credit card detail also. Okay, so
Mm.
after that, it asked me tell about the organization name. Okay, so here we are creating the organization. Okay, so just I just created the organization name ABC Private Limited. That's it. Okay. So
Okay.
industry. So it is right now. It is asking me. So see, I have started from here. Now I have closed here. So I have to done till here. Okay. So before that, it just asked me the credit card detail and the payment, and I just put up everything. Okay. After that, it is asking me industry. So industry means like what type of the company profile is. Okay, for example, it is a retailer, distributor, okay, service provider, architect, accounting services, whatever it is. Okay, IT companies. So for example, let's see, uh, because it is only for 1 month, so I'm just taking an example. For example, it says
Did you create an account?
yeah, I have done actually. It is in on the stage of complete. It's not completed, just creating the
Mm.
account. After that, it is asking me the company detail. So I am putting that one. Okay,
Okay.
I don't know why you were not able to. It looks like something is wrong in your system. Okay,
Okay.
so let's say industry. So for example, information technology. Okay, or computer something. Computer trainings, no. Okay, so I have to select the industry. So actually I don't have any exercise for you, but just let me create anything. mm, okay, let's say accounting services, for example. Okay, professional services. Okay, professional. Okay, okay, no, it is also not there. Legal. Legal service should be there. It is also not like we need to select one of them. Okay, so these are the like the services provided by the QuickBooks by default. Okay, so why it is important? Give me a moment. Okay, it is not saying. mm, mm, mm. Legal is also not there. Okay, legal counsel and prosecution. Okay, other legal services. Okay, so I say accounting is there or not? Not. Okay, chartered accountant is also not there. Okay, then legal services is fine. Okay, for now, let's say legal services, or let's say computer ones, for example. Okay, website. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, software publisher. Okay, computer system design. Okay, design services. Okay, then sorry. Okay, so it's software publisher. Okay, means the IT company, right?
Mm.
Okay, so now after that it is business tax type. Okay, so what type of business? The sole proprietor, partnership, non-profit organization, S corp, C corp. So these S corp, C corp, these are for US. Okay, so the QuickBooks is not providing the services in India.
Mm.
Okay, so that's why we cannot use in India. Even you can select. If you join somewhere who is using QuickBooks, then they will not ask you to do the accounting in QuickBooks. However, we can do, okay, but QuickBooks is not providing the services here in India. Okay, so usually you have to work for the international companies. Okay, so in that case, sole proprietor, partnership, and non-profit labs. Let's say sole proprietor. Okay, so what was your company annual revenue last year? So it is just only, let's say, okay, less than 1 million USD, right? And I have to click on the next. Okay, but what's your role? Okay, my role is like I'm employee of who I am a, so I'm say, let's say I'm accountant. Okay, who like how many employees there are? Okay, so for example, this is five, 2 to 5 employees only. Next, I'm just giving the information that what it is asking me. Okay, then an expert can get you up and running, get guidance on how to do this. I say skip for now. I don't need any help from your side. Okay, I can skip this one. Okay, then you nailed two basics. Let's keep going. Okay, so uh, this is something, and do this first means I mean to say like there is like something it is asking personalize your invoice and make them payable. Okay, so let's say mm, mm, mm. It is suggesting, let's say this one. Okay, set up payment. So it is asking to streamline payment QuickBooks. So QuickBooks has also, the payment gateway. So payment gateway means that, like for example, we raise the invoice, right? And like for example, I'm doing business, you are also doing business, right? And I'm also using QuickBooks, you are also doing business QuickBooks, right? And if I did the sales, okay, and I did the sales to you, and you have to make the payment to me, right? So there is inbuilt features available in the QuickBooks so that you can directly make the payment through QuickBooks, and I will directly receive that payment. Okay, means from your account the payment will deduct, and once I receive the payment, then automatically it will pop up in my QuickBooks that the payment is made from your side. Okay, so it is something that in that case we need to set up the payment. Okay, but of course we are not going to set up any something like this, so we can skip for now. Okay, so accept in-person payment and get updates on invoice means like sometime see this is again the payment method. I can also put the QR code, so you have to simply scan it and make. So of course we are not discussing this one, so I can skip for now. Okay, so it is asking to link the account, so again let's skip for now. Okay, so what do you want to do in QuickBooks? So like like see bookkeeping, of course we are looking for the bookkeeping, like get manage customers and track invoices, manage payables. Okay, this one. So okay, so let's skip for now. I don't want to tell anything. Okay, that's it, it's done. So okay, I will share you the email ID, mm, that one, my one, and you can try to log in with that one. Okay, this is my mail ID. Okay, let me share with you. Okay, my mail ID is okay. For now, you can use this one. This is my mail ID, and the password I forgot. Let me see. Give me a moment. I think I got the OTP. Yeah, you put the. No, I'm not actually. Can you click on the show button? Show. Actually, I forgot the password. Yeah. Hmm. Can you click on forgot password? Okay. Yeah. No, no. You can don't. Yes. Process. You text the code on mobile. Yeah. Yeah. OTP is 422 911
4
double two
double two
911.
9.
Mm. Okay. Try new password again. Yeah. Click on the try password again. We need double check your identity. No, 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 no. They need something else. Wait, wait, wait. Let click again. Check on. Let close this one. Yes. Okay. Forgot password again. Let me log in now. My mail ID.
Click.
Wait. Let me see my email. Okay. Yeah. See more option. Verify my account different way. Takes longer. No, actually I forgot. Give me a moment. Let me log in from my side. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Now you can log in through this QuickBooks. Okay. So you have 1 month time. So after that we can create the new one. I don't know why you were not able to create, like maybe like the email ID is incorrect something. Okay. All right. So okay, you are purchasing QuickBooks. Come down. No. Okay. 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 It's asking for the payment. No problem. Save billing information. Go up. Let's close this one. Close this one.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Because I put the fake payment detail. That's why it is saying your billing information set update information. Okay. Okay. No problem. Then okay, is if I don't make the payment, can it will allow me to know? Let's click to the menu left side. No, no, no. Drop down. Drop down. No, this one. Yes. Okay. Not allowing. Okay. No problem. Go and click on update billing information. No, see, there is error up.
Okay,
Yeah,
update billing.
billing.
This one.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, because I put the wrong, the fake credit card detail. Mm-hmm. So that's why they're saying we could not process your payment. Okay, come down. Okay, so I'm just giving you the credit card detail. Let's put this one. I hope it work, but not sure. Okay, sent you on WhatsApp. Yeah,
This one.
this one is December, like 12. Come down. You can hide this one below one. See, there is below pop up. Hmm. Okay, 25. Okay, see, is 6 to 7. 6 to 7. Okay, name on card you can put Deepak. No problem. You can put your one also. No problem. Okay, come down. Country, just click here. You can press US, not India. Okay, it will not allow you to otherwise. Yeah, address. Just click here. Yeah, and put something like C something. Put C. Yes, you can select anyone here. Wait. Yeah, you can select anyone. Okay, it is optional. Don't worry. Come down. City is fine. That's fine. Pin code is that's fine. Okay, use wait. Let's scroll down. Yes, use this my business legal business address. Click there. There is
Where?
up. Yes.
Okay, okay. Use this. Okay, okay.
Yeah. Okay. Come save billing information. Okay. Submit. Mhm. It means it requires the payment. Not payment. Actually, it requires the credit card, a real credit card detail. Mm-hmm. But we are in India. That's why they are not allowing us to. Okay. Mm, okay. 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 Mhm. Well, I need to find the way that if you can give a moment, let me see if I can give you the my one.
For the US students, they don't ask payment.
No, no. They use the trial version actually. However, you can also do the trial version, but it is
Which
just
one?
you can also do the trial version, but like recently they changed this, to make the payment first. However, it is not take the payment, but still we need to provide the information. So it is, it is not, you know, good. Like if it deduct the payment from our account, then it is, it is our loss. Okay, so give me time, then I need to like find out how I can give you the access. Otherwise, if you're not
Okay.
able to, you know, sign up on QuickBooks, then I will give you the my one. Okay, for the practice,
Oh,
you can use my one. Okay, but let me try if it is
okay.
possible. Otherwise, I will give you tomorrow.